Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to cover Euclid's 5 postulate, and after that we will do some exams also. So for that, all the previous knowledge actually that what are postulates and exams should be clear to you, and we have already covered that thing. Now starting from the postulate 1, it's written that a straight line can be drawn from any one point to any other point. Okay. As we already know, postulates does not require proof. We can directly say they are true. So if we have 2 points there and there, so postulate 1 says that we can draw any straight line between these 2 points. Okay, like this. Meaning is written there that through two distinct points, they only one straight line can be drawn, and it's obvious thing. This is the point, this is the point. Suppose this one is A, this one is B, then only one line AB can draw here. Suppose if you say that we can draw any another line like that from this point, so if we start like that, suppose it is starting from point A, but to connect this one with B, it will be intersect or it will overlap with AB. So no another line is possible. You can demonstrate from this figure. If we draw lines like that, it will never overlap AB, and if it will overlap AB, then it's the same. Okay, so that's the thing. Now the next postulate, postulate 2, a terminated line can be extended indefinitely in a straight line. Okay, which means actually what is terminated line? It is line segment. Okay, I am highlighting this one. What is terminated line? It is line segment. So if we have any terminated line, okay, so we can extend this in both directions, and geometrically it looks like that. We can extend like this. Okay, a line segment can be extended endlessly in both directions to form a line. This is our line segment. We can extend like this up to anywhere. Okay, and in reverse direction also. Suppose this is our line segment, we can extend like this one. Okay, that's the point. Example, line segment AB can be extended on both sides to form AB. We have done this thing. Suppose it's A, this is B. We have done this. Now the postulate 3. A circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Okay, so third one means that suppose this is our circle and this is its center, and suppose its radius is r. So postulate 3 says that this is our one circle, but we can draw any another circle, okay, with center this and any different radius. Suppose its radius is capital R. Okay, so it's possible. You can draw any circle with different radius according to yourself. Now the fourth one, fourth postulate, all right angles are equal to one another. It's also the like very obvious thing, but it's given there, so we will do that one also. Suppose it's right angle. We all know right angle is equal to 90 degree, and another right angle, this one. And it's also 90 degree. So postulate 4 says that all right angles are equal to one another. Suppose this one is A, B, C, and this one is P, Q, R. So we can say angle ABC is equal to angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now the final postulate, which is postulate 5, is that if a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the interior angles on same side less than 180, the two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, will meet on that side. Okay, this one is like little bit lengthy, so let me explain this one by point. Suppose we have a straight line like that. Okay, and two straight line that make an interior angle on same side less, and another straight line we have this one. Okay, so these both are straight lines. So what it says that if we extend this line, this both lines like that, then the interior angle is less on that side, which means this angle is less than, and upon this side it keeps going on both sides. So we can say they intersect on that side where interior angle is less. Okay, example is also written there. Line L intersect two lines M and N. Okay, so we can draw the different one. Suppose this one is L, this one is M. If L intersect two different, this one is N and there is L. Okay, M such that the sum of interior angle is less than 180, which means suppose these two angles. Okay, this one is 1 and this one is 2. If angle 1 plus angle 2 less than 180, then we can say these lines will intersect in this direction. Okay, they intersect somewhere there. And if it is greater than 180 on this side, suppose this one 3 and 4, then they never intersect each other. They keep going far away from one another. Okay, postulate 5 is also easy, but it's little bit lengthy. Now there are some exams which are known as Euclid's exams. So we will do all them one by one. The first one is that things which are equal to same thing are equal to one another. Okay, so let me explain this one. We know A is equal to B, and it's also given that C is equal to B, which means both A and C are equal to same thing, which is B. And if we read there, things which are equal to same thing are equal to one another. So using the point 1, we can directly say A is equal to C. Okay, that's the thing. Now the second one, if equals are added to equals, the wholes are equal, which means if, okay, this is for first one. Now I am explaining for second one. If X is equal to Y and A is equal to B, so they are equals. Second exam says that if X plus A, we add this one, then it will be equal to Y plus B. Okay, that's the point of the second exam. Now the third one, if equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are also equals. It's also same. Actually, this is the very easiest chapter of our class 9 syllabus. Okay, I am using same information, so we can write X minus A is equal to Y minus B. There is one more thing. It's also obvious. We can also do X minus A is equal to Y minus A if X is equal to Y. Okay, so that's for the third one. Now the fourth, things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. Okay, this one we can solve some like geometrically. Suppose we have this circle. Okay, and we have this another circle. Okay, so this fourth point says that if the both the figures coincide with each other like that, they overlap each other. Okay, then they are equal. So we can say that both are equal. Okay, that's the point of the fourth exam. Now the fifth one, the whole is greater than the part. It's written there. Okay, so let me explain this thing. Suppose I have any rectangle like that. Okay, and there is some part there, and I am highlighting this one. Suppose we name the whole part as the A and the small part as A. So using the figure, can you tell me is A greater than A or not? The whole figure is greater than this part. Okay, and that's our point. The whole is greater than the part. Okay, it's also very easy. Now the sixth one, things which are double of same things are equal to one another. We can do this mathematically. Suppose we have x which is equal to 2 times a and y is also 2 times a. So instead of solving, we can directly say x is equal to y. Okay, and that's for sixth one. Now seventh is also similar. Things which are halves of the same thing are equal to one another. Okay, so suppose we have x is equal to half of a and y is equal to half of a, which means x and y are equal. Okay, that's the seventh and the last exam which we have to study in this chapter. So I hope this all points are clear to you, all the 5 postulates and the 7 exams which we have done. So keep practicing all this, and if you have any doubt, then you can freely contact me through my Urban Pro profile. Thanks.